Making an educational video about recycling and recyclable materials. Our goal is to create educational materials that will raise the awareness of students, teachers, and staff of the Commercial and Trade School of Split about recycling and recyclable materials. Market research. We conducted a survey at the school level in order to determine the practices and attitudes of students and employees of the Commercial and Trade School of Split about recycling, which would encourage students to recognize the social and environmental problems of their community, as well as ways to solve them. According to a sample of 146 respondents, 53% of respondents have waste sorting bins at home. 25% students do not know that most items can be recycled. 50% of respondents dispose of waste properly every day, and 26% of respondents improperly dispose of packing in paper containers. 37% of respondents believe that the waste sorting network in the city of Split is not sufficiently developed. As many as 98% of respondents welcome the idea of opening a recycling yard within a school. The idea of opening a recycling yard within a school. Why? Only 12% of respondents know that there are 4 recycling yards in Split. We researched online that these 4 yards are Karepovac, Pujanke, Kopilica and Orišac. Improper disposal of waste is considered a lack of education and information about the consequences of such disposal. For this reason, we created educational materials about waste as recyclable material. We will present them to the students and teachers of the Commercial and Trade School of Split. Production and processing of recyclable materials. Recyclable materials are substances that after use are used again in the production process of the same or another good. The most common recyclable materials are paper, non-ferrous metals, glass, fabrics, rubber, and steel. Paper. When processing waste paper, it is important to produce high-quality paper from quality recyclable materials and low-quality paper from low-quality materials. When sorting waste paper, preparation is mandatory in order to be able to use that raw material. Boiling and cutting are the only mechanical operations of waste paper preparation. Glass. Glass quartz is a quality raw material for glass production. It can be processed countless times. Wood cannot be returned to its original form and it is used to make other items. Fabrics are the most diverse waste materials among all the waste that is collected. They appear in a wide spectrum, different shapes, colors, compositions, quality, and possibilities of further processing. Other recyclable materials are non-ferrous metals. They are copper, aluminum, lead, and zinc. Their characteristics are they replace the primary raw material, less energy consumption, and less environmental pollution. Rubber. Due to the high costs of collection, transport and preparation, significant amounts of rubber could not be returned to the new raw material cycle. That is why rubber is often used as a secondary raw material. By creating educational materials, students and teachers achieve the outcomes of the cross-curricular theme Sustainable Development. Check out our infographics. Thank you. Do recycle. This presentation was made by students of Class 4A Commercial and Trade School of Split, Croatia, within the project SAVE.